A quick update on HBAR here. So HBAR on the macro chart here from the low to the high, you can see we are back over and holding over the 382. So on the macro over 11.7 here, we are bullish. We pretty much came down, tagged this area that was resistance as support, support, support. The 618 came into play, got a nice run up, and we are making higher highs and higher lows on the macro here. So let's go ahead and get that one off. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Let's go to the weekly chart. And going from the 2021 high to the low, you can see we're sitting right on the 0.5 here at 14.3. But it is making lower lows and lower highs right now. There's a clear downtrend in play, so we have to break that on the shorter time frames here. So let's zoom into the 3-day chart and give you a quick look here. So we'll go from the high there. If I can get my computer to move, it's going slow at the moment. So right now we are back above. The whole market's kind of doing the same thing right now, where we put in a little bottom. We're starting to put in a higher low. We're over the 236. So short term, as long as you're over 16, you got to get over 19.5, pretty much 20, and then we could be bullish again for this thing to start moving back up with a breakout over about 25. And if we zoom in a little bit more on HBAR here, if my computer's going to let me, come on, we'll go to the smaller time frame here, and we'll simply draw from the low to the high to see what level we're holding up for an upwards move here. So yeah, we bounced right off of the low to the high 382, so bullish over this 15 level, and we're poking our head right above the 236. So we'll see what the market has in store, but we're slowly starting to form these very bullish market structures here on a lot of these coins, and we'll see if there's some follow through. So with that being said, what are your thoughts on HBAR? Are you buying this dip here? And the bigger question is, where's HBAR going to end up when it finally gets its run here? So let me pull this down just a hair, and you can see our targets here. The new high, the 1272 at about $1.23. I think $2 is a good target for HBAR. So 123 here would be a 7.5x. I think is very decent. And then 180 up to $2, that would be your 10x, and then if it tags $2, that's where you're going to get about a 12x out of HBAR this cycle. So I do think if it doesn't break down further, of course, I think $2 is a very fair target for HBAR once we get things running here. So like I said, what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.